ok ở đây video này cứ nhom nâng bằng riêng tiệt thôi cho môi nâng ca chop cho môi adsense chẳng á bên này thà dương miền video dương miền trên này YouTube dương rip chom oi lo SA chẳng hơi hay dương miền ca cho subscribe bảo kê nó có miền hơi cho bây giờ sòng khánh cứ dương là miền này tiết cứ dương tới cả connect adsense bao giờ nè tới Google adsense là bị rục lùi chẳngในขนมนั้นก็ยมโซมประหารปตอติดบองปูนได้ก่อนมีหลักคันให้แต่เธอtớiเอาตอนอัปรู้นะบ่โอเคแล้วโจtớiขนมวิดีโอ creator จดเปีย skip ปตอมาโดยในขนมกรรมวิธีมุกเงินในมวยในมวยจงบานประหารบองปูนให้แต่ตรงวิดีโอแต่ตรง playlist เนี่ยมีเมียนจังตัวมรงจังโอเคให้ปตอมาแต่ตรง live stream ไอ้เส้นก็ประหารอย่างจังจำนวนแต่เตอร์บางหารปตอคือแต่ตรงจุ่มมวยนั้น channel แต่ตรงจุ่มมวย channel chẳng miền ở hai uploading video longer nó có ok hay ta vậy đại dương cầm bông tại toàn vừa hỏi được luôn upload default rồi hỏi ta tôi branding có rồi hỏi ta tôi chụp mình được advanced đấy có rồi hay nhưng mà hai đó nè mà hay advanced dạng mấy select category channel keyword dạng đại dạng mấy có nhưng bàn bằng hai rồi đó là hai đại ba branding ấy upload default có đôi bằng hai lùm ở thấy ok lầnนี้ตลอดโจมวยกลายที่แต่ตัวช่วยมวยหนึ่งchannel นั้นให้แต่ตัวช่วยมวยหนึ่ง enable monetize นะโอเคช่วงนึงบางหายถ้าถ่ายได้บัน YouTube บัน monetize บางกับรู้เนี่ยคลาสออนบางนะจังที่มวยนึกตรงนี้ read นะ and agree to partner program บันที่ท่าดำใบเราลุยช่วยมวยหนึ่ง YouTube ทั้งออนบางเยอะเท่าแต่เมียนจำนวนบุญหนึ่งนะบริษัทจีบุญจำนวนหนึ่งเอาตอนเฮาเต้คือยังเอาตอนบันซึในโครงการรีวิวเต้บ่าโอเคมันจังในขนมนี้คือขยมหนึ่งจับประดามอ่านวอร์ดแต่มาดองตีมวยจะเปีย policy ตีมวยนะโครงการตีมวยยังเธออ่านทำปี policy บางวีเนี่ยวิเมียนเชงบางปอนคุยอ่านโอเคบางปอนคุยอ่านทั้งให้ยังจะ scroll จกร้อมให้ยังจะเปียทักจังบ้านอ่านให้จะปะ agree นึงมาด่ามองบ่าโอเคจะ I acceptต่อไปยังจะ accept แต่ตรงจุดมวยหนึ่ง policy บอกวิให้มาในทางยังโอเคยังบานอ่านบานโยนบานไอ้ชายยังอัดคลายเชียได้กูวิบานปัจจัยในตรงนี้ your account status monetize not enable นะเอาตอน enable เตจัง sign up for adsense โอเคจังยังโจตดอ sign up for adsense บันทึกโอเคดับเบิล sign up for adsense โดยยมยืนจังคือยังกรณีจุดตามการในนอมมอจุดเปลี่ยนนิดประตอมอโอเคบ่าจุดนิดให้บางคนสลัดยกเปียชั่วโมงจีเมลได้ยังเติมดำไปคลายจีอันเนี้ยกรุบกรงหรืออัดสันบ่อยยังจังยิ่งยก channel มวยนั้นโอเคพอต่อมาในขนมนี้วิเมียนเปียโอเคให้นะโอเคยิ่งส้มสลัดใหญ่ต่อแต่มาดองในขนมนี้วิจับชั่วโมง channel บ่อยยังออโต้มาติดแต่มาดองนะบ่าโอเคอะไรนี่คือยังสลัด country country คือเรื่องสำคัญมันเต้นสมัยดอกลุยยมสลัดเปียทักแคมโบเดียในสายยืนในที่ประเทศขมายประเทศกัมพูชีจังยมจดเปียทาget start ประตอบอมปียืนจด get start ให้คือนังเมียนจิ้งเพย์มัน address detail สิ่งที่เพย์มัน address detail นั้นพิจารณาคือมองโอนมาจนุนโดยสารโครงการทำไมบางคนก็พิบัติได้ให้ไม่เรียนในครั้งนี้ก็ขยมหนึ่งโซ่บางให้ท่าวิดีโอมือนี้มีอัตราประโยชน์ครั้งมันเต้นสมัยบางคนเดี๋ยวออนโมดิไทสมัยบางคนเดี๋ยวตอนบันตัวพินโคดคือบางคนเจอแต่ดำกันไหลนี่ไอ้บานครั้งบันติดนะขยมหนึ่งเลือกโจกบางให้แต่ต้นจมวยหนึ่งaccount ไทยคือยังโยกกันไหลหนึ่งแต่มาดองปันใต้แต่ต้นจมวยชั่วโมงนะชั่วโมงคือบางคนเติร์ดเฟิร์มไม่เอาเติร์ดจมวยหนึ่งอัตราสัญญาณบันทำไปดอกลุยโปรไปได้ยังดอกลุยคือยังได้จมวยหนึ่งโทเนียกีตามเวสเทิร์นยูเนียนจังและขั้นในการดอกลุยจมวยโทเนียกีคือเวสเทิร์นยูเนียนนี่คือยังเติร์ดแต่จอบจมวยหนึ่งอัตราสัญญาณบันหรือก็พาสปอร์ตหรือก็ลิขิตฉลองได้ในเซฟได้จีลิขิตหรือจะอัมพีประวัติรูปบางยังบ้าหรอแบบยังยังไอ้ดอกบานโอเคแล้วขยมส้มได้จมวยอะไรนี่ให้ส้มในใยมาดองติดนะจมพวกบองโอนได้ก็ทลบโรคลุยจมวย YouTube มาดองให้ได้บองโอนอัดชื่อเจาะเลยชั่วโมงครูนไอแต่ชั่วโมงเราบอกครูนไอนู้ได้ทลบมีปัญหาเลย YouTube ทลบดิสบอลทลบมีปัญหาอีกเซ็งจังขยมโซมรีคำมันไอบองโอนได้มีชั่วโมงทลบโรคลุยจมวยใน YouTube มาดองให้บองโอนโซมได้ชั่วโมงเราบอกเกจมอนสันนะโอ้ทอดถ่ายชั่วโมง អូខេមកថាស្រីដក clear តិចបើអូខេអញ្ចឹងតើតោងជាមួយនឹងchannel តើតោងជាមួយនឹងឈ្មោះមុនក្រោយអត់សំខាន់ទេសំខាន់ឲ្យតែត្រូវអាតួអក្សរភាសាឡាតាំងហ្នឹងណាខុសតែមួយតួក៏ធនាគារគេអត់ដកលេខឲ្យដែរបាទខុសតែមួយតួក៏ដោយឧទាហរណ៍ថាខ្ញុំដាក់ឈ្មោះថាស្រីពៅស្រីជាឈ្មោះកូនពៅឈ្មោះឪពុកឧទាហរណ៍ចេះណាស្រីពៅប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គួរតែព្យាយាមដាក់ឈ្មោះអ្នកផ្សេងសិនណាដំបូងដៃបំផុតបើសិនជាបងប្អូនថ្មីតែម្ដងអត់បញ្ហាទេប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនធ្លាប់យក account ឈ្មោះបងប្អូនទៅ register នេះ register នោះគឺខ្ញុំសូមហាមណាមិនឲ្យបងប្អូនធ្វើទេនេះហើយគឺជាបញ្ហាដែល YouTube វាមិន approve ដែលវាថាខុសអំពី policy របស់វា policy នោះគឺអស់នឹងឯងតើតើនឹង information ដែលយើងបំពេញហ្នឹងគឺវាអត់ត្រូវណាប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាក្នុងលក្ខខណ្ឌដែលបងប្អូន channel YouTube បងប្អូន approve ផ្លឹបវាទៅជា disable monetize ហ្នឹងមានច្រើននៅកូនសិស្សរបស់ខ្ញុំគាត់ប្រឈមបញ្ហាហ្នឹងដោយសារអីដោយសារតែឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់ធ្លាប់ connect add mob ឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់ធ្លាប់ disable ឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់ធ្លាប់មានបញ្ហាអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីបង្ការរងចាំការ review ការ disable monetize បងប្អូនអាចដាក់ឈ្មោះអ្នកផ្សេងណាដាក់ឈ្មោះអីក៏បានដែរដាក់ឈ្មោះផ្សេងមកចាំពេលដែល approve ហើយចាំយើងដូរដាក់ឈ្មោះរបស់យើងដើម្បីដកលុយអូខេអញ្ចឹងតាក់ទងជាមួយ address បងប្អូនដាក់ទៅភ្នំពេញចឹងទៅវាអត់តាណាទេណាព្រោះអីខាងប្រិយសនីស្រុកខ្មែររបស់យើងតតែយើងខលស៊ូគេទៅគេយកกระดาษហ្នឹងឲ្យយើងឬក៏គេផ្ញើតាមឡានតាមអីចឹងទៅតែបើសិនជាយើងអត់ដាក់លេខទូរស័ព្ទទេច្បាស់ជាគេមិនខលរយើងទេបងប្អូននៅចាំមួយខែទៅមួយខែគឺចាំរហូតតែម្ដងសូថាគោគាត់ហ្នឹងវាផ្ញើឲ្យឬក៏អត់វាផ្ញើឲ្យយូរហើយប៉ុន្តែដោយសារប្រិយសនីស្រុកខ្មែររបស់យើងគឺគាត់មិនបានយកមកឲ្យយើងទេដោយសារគាត់រវល់ការងាររបស់គាត់តាមពិតទៅ service សេវាកម្មផ្សេងគឺខាងក្រុមហ៊ុន Google នឹងឯងគេរៀបចំមកហើយអត់ឲ្យយើងចេញលុយឲ្យទៀតទេប៉ុន្តែសំខាន់គឺប្រិយសនីក៏គាត់ចង់បានលុយចាយខ្លះដែរណាយើងឲ្យគាត់ចាយទៅយើងរកបានប៉ុនត្រឹម10 20រៀលឲ្យគាត់ទៅអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះ address line 1ខ្ញុំ recommend បងប្អូនដាក់ទីក្រុងភ្នំពេញមកដាក់ភ្នំពេញ Cambodia ឬក៏ភ្នំពេញកំពង់ចាមភ្នំពេញអីផ្សេងបន្ទាប់មក address line 2 line 1នេះ line 2នេះបងប្អូនសូមប្រើប្រាស់លេខទូរស័ព្ទណាបងប្អូនសូមប្រើប្រាស់លេខទូរស័ព្ទតែមួយខ្សែបានហើយបន្ទាប់មកបងប្អូនចុចចូលទៅក្នុងអីគេជាមួយនឹង country ឧទាហរណ៍ខ្ញុំសូមធ្វើតេស្តតែម្ដងណាបាទឧទាហរណ៍ភ្នំពេញ address line 1ខ្ញុំសូមដាក់លេខទូរស័ព្ទមួយណាចេះឧទាហរណ៍បើខ្ញុំដាក់លេខទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំដាក់ព្រាវតែម្ដងណាព្រោះនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងវាអត់ថាអីទេប៉ុន្តែសំខាន់លេខទូរស័ព្ទហ្នឹងគឺដើម្បីឲ្យខាងព្រីសនីហ្នឹងគេ call មករកយើងដើម្បីយើងបាន pin code ណាចុះខ្ញុំសូមដាក់ភ្នំពេញ city របស់ខ្ញុំគឺនៅក្នុងភ្នំពេញខ្ញុំដាក់ភ្នំពេញហើយ zip code របស់វាគឺខ្ញុំដាក់05ដឺណាជាអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ប្រើប្រាស់ហើយតទៅនៅ mobile phone បងប្អូនដាក់លេខទូរស័ព្ទណាដែលអត់ធ្លាប់ភ្ជាប់ជាមួយក្រុមហ៊ុនGoogle AdSense បាទពីមុនមកចឹងខ្ញុំសូមយកលេខមែនតើយើងមកដាក់តែម្ដងហើយបានខ្ញុំមិនចង់យករូបភាពលេខនឹងមកដាក់ព្រោះលេខច្រើនហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំទៅច្រើនខ្ញុំ verify ជាមួយ AdSense ច្រើនមួយ YouTube ច្រើនខ្លាចដោយសារតែលេខមួយហ្នឹងប៉ះពាល់ channel ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងដឹងថាយ៉ាប់មែនតើណាបាទមិនងាយទេតម្រាំបានដល់ចំណុចគោលដៅនីមួយពិតជាលំបាកដែរបាទអូខេចឹងបងប្អូនអាចចុច submit មិនថាពេញរួចរាល់ហើយចុច submit ទៅអូខេអញ្ចឹង YouTube វានឹង redirect auto បន្តិចបែរថាមិនយូរប្រហែលជា10នាទី20នាទី Google AdSense វានឹង approve ប៉ុន្តែកុំអាលអវា approve តែ Google AdSense ទេវាថាចេញផ្ទាំង report ប៉ុន្តែអ្វីដែលពិបាកនោះគឺ channel YouTube ណាអញ្ចឹងនៅចាំ YouTube approve មកតង់ទៀតអូខេឥឡូវ monetization គឺយើងបាន associate success មួយហើយបន្ទាប់មក set ចុច start មកបើថាពេលដែលយើងវីដេអូ channel YouTube របស់យើង monetize គឺវា automatic តែម្ដងណា automatic តែម្ដងទៅលើការapprove ណាបាទទៅលើការ approve អូខេតើតើកន្លែងនេះគឺលក្ខខណ្ឌរបស់វា 4000 ម៉ោង 1000 subscriber ណាក្នុងកំឡុងពេលប្រហែល watch hour in pre-share 12ម៉ាត់ណា12ខែតែពិតវាមិនដល់នឹងទេអូខេពេលដែលគ្រប់លក្ខខណ្ឌវានឹងចាប់ផ្ដើម review នៅលើ channel YouTube របស់យើងតែម្ដងអូខេបាទអូខេហើយចំណុចនេះគឺជាចំណុចខ្លាំងដែលបងប្អូននៅចំណុចធំមែនទេដែលបងប្អូនមួយចំនួនធំគាត់ពិបាកនៅក្នុងការ ធ្វើកន្លែងហ្នឹងណាបាទអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺយើងរួចរាល់ហើយយើងបំពេញហើយគឺយើងនៅចាំតែលក្ខខណ្ឌណានៅចាំតែលក្ខខណ្ឌដែល YouTube ថាអូខេណា channel របស់អ្នកគឺ approve ហើយសូមយកទៅរកលុយចោះអញ្ចឹងណាបាទនៅក្នុងនោះគឺយើងរៀបចំជាមួយវាតែម្ដងបាទហើយបងប្អូនហ្នឹងហើយឱកាសពេលនេះគឺខ្ញុំសូមបង្ហាញបងប្អូនម្ដងទៀតណាម្ដងទៀតតាក់ទងជាមួយបងប្អូនដែលមាន monetize បងប្អូនដែលមាន subscribe គ្រប់លក្ខខណ្ឌហើយតែវាមិនតាន់ approve ណាមិនតាន់ approve អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះគឺខ្ញុំសូមធ្វើការបង្ហាញដូចខាងដើមអញ្ចឹងទី1បញ្ហាឈ្មោះសូមបងប្អូនរកឈ្មោះអ្នកដតីខុសអំពីឈ្មោះយើងបើសិនជាយើងច្បាស់លាស់តែខ្លួនយើងធ្លាប់រកលុយ YouTube ពីមុនមកគួរជៀសវាងទី1គឺកន្លែងហ្នឹងទី2លេខទូរស័ព្ទណា email អីហ្នឹងបើថាធ្លាប់ប្រើហើយកុំប្រើបោះចោលទៅណាទិញទៀតណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចំណុចទី1នេះគឺបងប្អូនត្រូវធ្វើអញ្ចឹងណាទី2ចូលទៅដល់វីដេអូបើក្នុងលក្ខខណ្ឌដែលណាវីដេអូរបស់យើងណាចេញបាន not monetize ហើយប៉ុន្តែដោយសារវាអត់មាន monetize មានអីទេអូខេបន្តមកបងប្អូនអាចចុចបើសិនជាក្នុងលក្ខខណ្ឌឧទាហរណ៍ថាវីដេអូនេះមានអ្នកមើល3លានអ្នកណា subscribe ដល់ 10k ហើយអញ្ចឹងអត់ពិបាកអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនសូម private វីដេអូនេះជាកំហិតតែម្ដងណា private វីដេអូនឹងពឹបទៅបាទបន្តមកបងប្អូនសម្រាំងវីដេអូណាមួយដែលល្អសម្រាំងឲ្យប៉ាកែឲ្យច្បាស់លាស់ប្រកបវិជ្ជាយកមកបង្ហោះចូលទៅក្នុងវីដេអូនឹងទៀត private វីដេអូចោលអស់បាទបន្តមក YouTube វានឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើការ review នៅលើ channel YouTube របស់យើងពេលដែលវា review វាអត់ approve វាថាណែនៅប្រហែលថ្ងៃទៀតវានឹងវា review ម្ដងទៀតហើយពេលនោះគឺយើងអាចធ្វើជាមួយវាបានហើយបាទអូខេវីដេអូទាំងអស់នេះខ្ញុំសិតសឹងតែជាអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំបានធ្វើតែកន្លងមកហើយទទួលបានលទ្ធផលលឿនមែនទែនបាទលឿនមែនទែនអូខេចំណុចទៅ monetize ខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់បងប្អូនឲ្យថាគ្មានអ្នកណាមួយដែលមានសិទ្ធិអាចទៅស្នើសុំឲ្យ YouTube វា approve បានហើយយើងស្នើសុំជាមួយ creator របស់វាក៏វាអត់បានយើងស្នើសុំជាមួយនឹងបុគ្គលិករបស់វាក៏អត់បានដែរបើសិនជាដល់ថ្ងៃដែលវាត្រូវ approve គឺវា approve ហើយគឺវា check មកលើវីដេអូរបស់យើងបើសិនជាស្នើសុំបានម្លេះគឺ YouTube វាចូលជាលក្ខណៈលំអៀងណាអញ្ចឹងគឺអត់ទេគឺវាដាក់ផែនការរបស់វាមួយខែគឺវាចុះមកមួយខែមិនបាច់ចាំទៅអញ្ជើញវាបាទវាអត់មកតាមការអញ្ជើញរបស់យើងទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើតាមវិធីសាស្ត្រនេះបានណាបាទហើយខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់បងប្អូនឲ្យថាធ្វើវីដេអូឲ្យសម្រាប់ឲ្យល្អដើម្បីទទួលនៅការ approve ពី YouTube ណាអូខេមានតែប៉ុណ្ណេះទេហើយតើតងវិធីសាស្ត្រផ្សេងទៀតនឹងមានការបង្ហាញបន្តតែអ្វីដែលសំខាន់ step ទី1នេះគឺខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនធ្វើជាមួយវាឲ្យជោគជ័យសិនបាទអរគុណច្រើន